By the way, this is a Pride inspired look since we're almost in July, and I just noticed that it's about to be July and I didn't do a Pride look. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crispina. I'm kind of thinking of doing this video for a little bit now, but I'm kind of glad that I waited a little bit because I feel like time was really good for me for this video. So today's video is all going to be about my hair growth since I did kind of like a big chop around late November, early December. So I can put the link in my description, and then I'll kind of put something on here, and I'll kind of reference this video a lot, and I'll try to throw in some pictures. It'll all make sense whenever I drop my other videos. So but for this video's sake, we're starting in November of 2019. I straightened my hair. While my hair was really long, my ends and everything just weren't feeling the way that I was wanting them to. I had dyed my hair at home by myself, like this bronzy-ish tarnish, I don't know what to call it. Basically, it just all was at the ends of my hair, and so no matter how much my hair was growing, my ends were always suffering. So by that video, that was the end of me. Like, okay, I'm literally tired of keep cutting my hair just to have terrible ends. I know it's not me neglecting my ends, so I just literally start chopping off my hair out there. So I have been doing for the past couple months since November. I want to say around October is when I had gotten to rice water. My roommate was into it. I had heard about it but never did it, but I did it one time with her and I've never looked back. Since October of 2019, once a month I've been doing rice water, which has been helping a lot with the structure of my hair. Thick, a consistent growth. Will say that that's one thing that I have added into my hair routine no matter what I'm doing with my hair. Everything will make more sense once I can finally get all these videos out there. But all I can keep thinking about is all I do is grow my hair. Somehow I'm always cutting my hair. So that's why I've had a channel for coming up on 3 years now. So I'm starting to see, so it's not me growing my hair that's the issue. It's more of the maintenance of my hair. So for about a month now, I have been doing a very loose regimen with declaring, for one, my wash day, and every week I do something special with my hair, whether it's a deep conditioner, whether it's the rice water, whether it's the aloe vera treatment, anything to keep my hair moisturized. Because November I cut my hair because I was noticing a lot of frizz. There wasn't much definition in my hair. I felt like my hair was just really thin. And my hair is still recovering from that still, because I've seen my hair thicker than this, although this is actually very decent results. And I will stretch my hair in a little bit to kind of compare the lengths and everything. And I had never dyed my full hair before until August of 2019. I had never dyed my full head before, and I don't know if I bought like the wrong brand. I don't know if my hair just didn't react well to chemicals, but I swear my hair got significantly thinner and my curl pattern was messed up for a little bit as well. I had dyed it all dark to promote health, because I thought since I had that bronzy color on the ends of my hair that was gonna save it, but that just did not. Me doing kind of like my big chop in November, I thought that's what I needed in order to get my curls back on track. Looking back at that video, yes, my hair definitely needed that cut. Like, I did cut off a lot more probably than I needed, but it just needed that cut. And I was rocking like a little bob for a couple months. In hindsight, now that I've started this monthly regimen thing that I've been doing, my hair is just responding so much better already, and it's only been 4 weeks since I started this. So over these past couple months, I haven't been getting better at maintenance in a way, but I still haven't completely converted over. I happen to own some satin pillowcases, but I'm waiting to use them until I just get my own space and everything, just for personal reasons. I also have been slacking on wrapping my hair, and I feel like wrapping my hair is something that I neglect all the time, and I shouldn't, because I have so many satin and silk scarves that I just don't utilize. Bonnets, anything. I'm just hard-headed and I toss and turn when I sleep. So I definitely feel like I could incorporate that into my routine, because I feel like braiding my hair, because the thing with me is I always cry, oh, I want long hair, oh, I want long hair. Now I have long hair and I don't want to comb it and I don't want to do it. So I definitely feel like I need to add that back on my list, because I feel like that could be a reason. So before I kind of go over any more tips on how I think I could improve my hair, I will just kind of play with it and stretch it, because my hair has a lot of shrinkage. So what I'll do is this front part. So in the video, my hair, I don't know where, I'll kind of put it side by side, but I definitely remember my hair was not down here. My hair is completely almost covering my face now, finally. A little bit way below. It definitely it's right here. I can already tell this is longer because in that video I was just like up here, but just for comparison. And then I'll just kind of bring this down here with it. So my hair is definitely growing. It definitely is thicker. I'm not having so much of like the frizziness. To be grateful, I definitely feel like I'm making some headway, but I just remember how I just know how my curls can be, and I'm getting passionate about this again, which is good. But I wanna do this the right way, because this is literally like the 3rd or 4th hair journey that I'm on, and I just want really long, healthy, thick, shiny, defined hair. Like, I know I want the promised land. All this trial and error is so that way I just I write everything down now, just because I really need to find, for my mental sanity, a good routine and all that's gonna help. So this is kind of gonna be like a shorter video. I just wanted to show how much my hair has grown. I was having a kind of a decently good hair day, and just to show, like, you can kind of see a little bit where the dye used to be, as you can see on the ends. No matter what, even when I put like aloe vera and stuff in my hair, the ends are just like, they're so dry, and just remember, the ends are the oldest part of your hair. So whenever I try to put it in there, it's just always like that slight frizz. But between November and now, I have only trimmed my hair one time, or it was April 11th when I trimmed. And it wasn't even really a trim, it was just a little bit, because I started noticing my ends were getting really frizzy. So to conclude this video, so just to put it out there, overall, I really do feel like I've seen changes in my hair, the front of my hair, and overall, I would say the thickness of my hair has definitely improved, and I feel like that's kind of why, even though it's getting longer, it's still in this bob sort of stage it always wants to be in, because it's just thick. So my hair grows out instead of down. So this would have been November. This is going on 7 months of growth right here. So your hair is supposed to grow about, I think, 1 inch every 2 months. So my hair theoretically should have grown about like 3.5 inches. If my math serves me correctly.